What are sanitization verification swabs and how to use them for coronavirus? Although COVID-19 viral swabs to test surfaces are available, they are costly, and there are many questions surrounding their reliability. Specialized COVID-19 swabs seems only to be useful in high viral load environments such as hospitals. FCS has been performing surface swab tests which detect bacteria for the last 40 years. Surface and hands which have been effectively cleaned and sanitized should have low levels of bacteria. It stands to reason that if all detectable microorganisms are eliminated using the correct chemicals and techniques, there is a high chance that the viruses would have been eliminated too. This would in turn prescribe that the virus spread and elimination is under control. We are able to swab high contact surfaces such as toilets, taps, door handles, biometric readers, counters, points of sale areas, credit card keypads, telephones, railings, etc., and test them for bacterial numbers. This will scientifically prove and document that the effective cleaning and sanitizing has taken place. Our services are being used by the hotel and entertainment industry on a regular basis in order to ensure that effective sanitization systems are in place to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Get in touch with us to book an appointment.